For our last reaction, our double replacement reaction, we are going to be reacting lead nitrate with potassium iodide. Now you will notice that both of these liquids start off completely clear. They don't really look that different from regular water. However, we know that one of the things that indicates that a chemical reaction has occurred is a color change. And since both of these are clear, any color that occurs would be a color change, as well as the creation of a solid. So let's do this. I'm going to take my lead nitrate, I'm going to fill up the dropper, and I'm going to squeeze it into my test tube. Still clear. Now I'm going to add my potassium iodide. Now watch carefully for a chemical reaction to occur. And out of seemingly nowhere, our two clear liquids have formed this bright yellow substance. That bright yellow substance, it indicates to us that a chemical reaction has occurred. Now, the yellow substance is actually a precipitate, meaning that it is a solid that is formed. You can actually see if I swirl it around that it sticks to the edges because it has that solid texture. Now, if we let this sit for a while, it would all settle out into the bottom, leaving a clear layer with the yellow at the bottom. That's it for our double displacement reaction.